Hello, people from all around the world. Today, I don't know what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. Just pause this. I wasted everybody's time for 20 seconds. Cough, cough, does sister location comics once again because I can.
What kind of glue is this? Smells weird though. Splat! Trying to dance with the eyes closed, huh? Blah blah blah. Shut up!
Give me your money.
Oh, brother, he scoffed the scooper.
Yo, Nard, let's take groupie. Alright. Bruh. Nard, let's take another groupie. No!
Trick or treat.
How about a trick? We prefer treats. Get the off.
Hi, my name's Ballora. I love dancing and I'm the tallest of the band. Small grape. Hey, girl, you want some ice cream? No, thanks. I prefer Nard. You want some? Nard, I found your
exotic butters.
Actually, it's a cheese. Nard, I found your
exotic butters. Oh, MFG, I've been looking everywhere for you. Wait a minute. This more green!
Splat! Oh, he's smart now.
Hello, how can I help you?
I'd like to order a blueberry ice cream with sprinkles, please. Alright, how many scoops?
Scoop. Ah!
But Laura, look, a new poster. Ice creams make friendships better.
Liar! Oh, shoot, she's coming. What the frick? Oh, shoot, she's here.
La 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 la. Hello? Found you.
Guys, look, it's the birthday boy. No. Frick! Swipe. Nah, it's locked. Quick, make me angry.
Okay, your butters aren't exotic.
Oh! Da. There's a little bit of me in everybody.
You mean like this?
Ah! All exotic butters. Can you please let me pass the night 4?
Nope.
I hate you so much.
But Laura, stay away from that thing. Jeez, guys, just a scooper won't hurt you.
Oof.
Well, shoot.
What is that?
Slime.
What's it for?
Nothing.
I ship it.
Aww.
Oh.
Good night,
Ready? No touching. Okay. Look at the birthday boy! Bud, we got Cannon.
Laura, you're great.
Thanks. Fandom. Laura, I love you! Oh my god, I love you too!
With the whips.
Frick ads. Just gonna skip. Great, thanks. Laura, I love you! Look, I love you too!
Booty, give me the booty. I want the booty. Back up the booty. I need the booty. I like.
Get out. Nobody loves you. You're a worthless circus monster. What the heck? Get scooped already.
Laura, look. Now I could dance just like you. Nah, I need a little practice. Hi, baby. Oh, hi, Laura.
100th history of ice cream. Why? Want some ice cream?
I want ice cream.
Okay, here's your ice cream.
Yay! Nard? Laura, may I put this ribbon in your hair?
Oh, sure.
Done!
Bon, go get him!
Okay!
What the frick?
Uncle my crib, come on in. This is the bathroom.
Hey! It's my family room. In our fridge. Oh, that's why I love to kill people. Oh, I see. Oh, shoot. Laura's coming. Hey. Hello. What the frick?
Hey. Ballora, what? Let's do some stare contest with me. You freaking dumb butt. Oh, I forgot. Foxy, what's after number 4? 8. Smack! Wrong! Frick! You're not dead. 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 Dead, 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 dead. Hey! Shut the frick up! I know I'm not dead! You're not dead.
Oh my god, another ad. I have to skip this too. What the frick is wrong with people?
Shut the frick up! I know I'm not dead! Hey, let me help you out.
Okay.
Almost there. Ta-da!
I hate you so much, you little crap.
The scooper only hurts for a moment. Ah! You're a liar, you little crap. I made you a cake. Oh, thank you. It is good. This is whipped cream? No, it's ice cream.
I just ate a demon. Oh, look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Never mind.
I forgot to hide my ice cream. It's nice. Girls, it's time to give Mr. Eggs a nice hug. Hooray!
Bye, Ballora.
Oh, thanks. It's so good to sing all day, to dance, to spin, to fly away. Mamma mia.
Yo, this song is the best song in the world. I know, right? Hey, check out this song. It's so amazing, yo. Oh my freaking god, yes. So awesome, and the animation is just perfect. And this best song in the world. Human are unique.
Fun Foxy, look, I'm wearing a choker. How cute. I have a choker too. Wanna see? Yes! This is my choker. Cool, isn't it? Ta-da! Are you okay? Yes.
But we go to the movies.
Oh, baby's so adorable. So cute. She's my small babe. I just want to hug her.
I ate a kid. Ugh.
Funtime Freddy, look! A birthday boy! Oh, wait. He's gone.
Don't you want to chase him? Shut up.
Am I
ugly? God made nobody ugly. Thank you so much. Who the heck made you?
Yo, Freddy! What? What's your cell?
iPhone 6, number 6. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. You're a female dog, I love you. Female dog? Ha! Theory confirmed. No matter how many times I say I love you to a woman, she will always say the bad things. You just called her a female dog. I don't think you.
Let me! No! I mean, run!
Baby, why is this drugs in Ju's rooms? Lol, it's not a drug. Go put them in water. You suck.
Why?
Just do it! Why would you buy these things? They look cool. Freddy, do you like oil? Well, yeah. Oh, good. You're already like 70% of me. Foxy, are you okay?
For you.
Thank you. Are you, what the frick? Are you kidding me? Only one chip? Just eat it already. Oh. Ah, water, please!
Hey, a nut!
Why you put deer horns on me, you fool?
I want Freddy to call me dear.
Bruh. What frick hacked my Facebook? I must wait 60 days to change my name! So you're the one who hacked his Facebook account?
Totally.
Baby, what?
Can you help me to buy some robot snack, please? What's the magic word?
No! Okay, I'm going right now. Jesus. 2 plus 2 flowers? 4 flowers. Good. How about 10 plus 12 flowers? 22 flowers. Okay, nice. How about 3,421 flowers plus 5,496 flowers? Garden! Well, that's all I'm going to be doing today. I hope everybody had a good day, and I hope everybody doesn't have to see a Mr. Demuth ever again. Goodbye, my wolfie!